What's happening, everybody? Beachin with the Boones.
And today we're going to take you to Sharky's right here on the ocean.
Oceanfront and on the boardwalk.
This restaurant has a beautiful view, and I know many of you have rode by several times and wondered what it was like. Well, today you're about to find out.
Look at the inside underneath.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I see some totem poles, some tiki totem poles.
And look at this view, man. Sweet.
So this is part of the boardwalk here at Sharky's. The boardwalk, which is the paved portion, goes all the way down.
And right up there is where we're about to eat.
Let's go get something to eat. All right, Sharky's is located right here, oceanfront on Ocean Boulevard. You can't miss it. They have outside seating, inside seating, and they have
Outdoor dining.
Overlooking beautiful Atlantic Ocean. And Sharky's has a full bar, upstairs and downstairs.
Hey,
You ready?
what's your name?
Mario.
Mario.
Where you from, Mario? Jamaica man.
Yes, that is awesome, Mario. So they sat us right here beside the beautiful ocean. Take a look at that view. So remember, Sharky's is open from 12 to 8:45 at night, right off the ocean. I think I'm gonna do a skinny margarita.
So last time we sat downstairs because it was wintry,
Freezing cold outside, actually, not wintry.
but right now it's beautiful.
Heck yeah.
What'd you get?
So I went with a skinny margarita. Because you know it is Barbie doll premiere weekend and I have to fit into a dress. The only thing missing from this skinny margarita is some heat. I need to ask for some fresh jalapenos.
So I got the Chicken Islander. It's grilled chicken topped with grilled pineapple and provolone cheese, drizzled with teriyaki sauce, served with lettuce and tomato. And it gets a side of fries. What'd you get?
So I decided to go with a tossed salad, something light. Now that's a huge salad. Not too bad for a lunch on Saturday. And remember, indoor dining is closed for the summer. It is. Don't look at me like that, B-Box. And if you ever do see us out, pull up and have a seat. We'd love to have a drink with you.
Now, see that Jeep out there?
I do. Well, there you have it. There was a look at Sharky's right here in Myrtle Beach, right across from Mama's Pizzeria and right beside the new Homewood Suites.
Make sure you like and subscribe, keep up with what's going on, and if you ring that bell notification, it'll alert you to videos that we post, and we post them weekly.
As always, keep beaching. See you in the next video.